The reverb system included in this package is intended as an alternative to Unity's default reverb zones, which operate by applying a reverb effect only when the player steps into their defined activation zones. It does this by adjusting the parameters of a single reverb zone that sits on the listener. The standard reverb zones in Unity only allow for spherical activation zones, which is unintuitive when very few scenes in games are perfectly spherical and have a large number of exposed parameters, which make designing an accurate reverb sound incredibly unintuitive, without any prior knowledge of artificial reverbs. The reverb system included in advanced audio systems tailors the parameters of the reverb to the shape, contents, and material of any closed environment it is placed in, while simultaneously allowing for any shape to be used for the activation zone. To use the reverb system, drag and drop the Camera Reverb prefab onto your main camera, making sure that the transform is zeroed and the preset is set to user. Next, drag and drop your preferred outdoor reverb preset into the outdoor reverb slot. An example preset is included in the presets folder of this package. Go to the room you wish to create a reverb effect for, create a new empty object, and add the script, "This room acoustics." Drag all the room's physical components under this new object. Next, make sure each of these components has both an acoustic material script and an appropriate collider. Adjust the settings on each acoustic material script to represent what you want the object to do to the sound in that room. 3 presets are provided to get you started: brick, wood, and glass. The script on our Room Manager object will now automatically calculate the reverb parameters of the room it is placed on, based on the parameters contained in the acoustic material script on each child component of the Room Manager. This will only take effect when the player is within a collider. The collider can be of any shape: box, sphere, capsule, even a mesh.
Engaging. Eyes on target. Eyes on target. Target mobile. Eyes on target. Engaging. Eyes on target. Eyes on target. Engaging. Eyes on target. Target mobile. Eyes on target. Target mobile. Eyes on target. Engaging. Eyes on target.